Yeah, it always is. We knew that he was out there messing around and helping too much and not really that focused. It's kind of hard, getting up for 10 minutes, but if you want to win the whole thing, like everybody. We have to realize the team's going to come in here and play way above their heads. We have to be ready for that.
Shaq, how easy is it to have extra energy when you have Kevin Garnett, you have Ray Allen, you have Paul Pierce out there kind of motivating you?
I'm in excellent shape. I'm only playing 19, 20 minutes a game, so I can do that. I could do that with my eyes closed, so there's really no excuse for me to be tired. So I'm not really tired. Doc does a great job of managing my minutes, but we were down 10, and I just felt like I had to do something, dive on the floor, knock people around, get the crowd involved. And, I think I helped a little bit.
Do you think there was a drop off then after the Magic?
I wouldn't say it was a drop off. It's just that we know what we have to do to get it done, and we don't make excuses. We just didn't get it done. But we got it there with 6 or 7 minutes to go. But we just have to learn to put our foot on people's neck and just kill them right away. We can't keep playing with people.
It's just when the team breaks out hack attack, I'm just mad at this point.
Not really. I just always want to hit them, and I'm kind of pissing myself and I was ready to shoot them. They just didn't go. I think if we would have lost the game, I would have been really upset. But keep in mind, when we really need them, I'll be there. And you don't have to worry about it. Study your show.
Shaq, in terms of basketball, what makes a team tougher than another team?
You have to want to play defense, and you just have to be consistent in what you do, and you just have to not worry and not complain. I told the guys that it's all about us. We don't need no calls. We don't need no help. Because what we got to do, we know what we got to do. Just go out and do it.
Shaq, for the second straight game, the last 3 minutes defensively, you guys have owned that. How important is that going forward?
It's very important, but you can't keep playing with people. Great teams stay dominant at home, really beat the teams they're supposed to beat, and stay above 500 on the road. So, we're supposed to beat this team every time. Not about 3, not about 5. It's double-digit lead on this team, so you can't keep playing with people. However, we're still learning each other. We're getting better every game.